financial doctor, manager. He walks so calm, the room aligns, reads the numbers, reads the signs, tries on screens, goes inside, turning pressure into light. Whiteboard full of dreams and plans. He leads with heart, not just a maze. He says we don't just stare or teach, we heal futures within our reach. Every client, every call, we rise together, never fall. He's the financial doctor, manager of strong, guiding the team to where they belong. From broken budgets to visions clear, he turns confusion into tears. Not just profits, not just fame, the people growing life a change. He leads with wisdom, trust and direction. The financial doctor managing protection. Trains the rookie sharp as the pros, shows them how the real work flows. Integrity first, that's his creed. Serve the people, reap and eat. Few late nights in the quarterly grind, he keeps the mission in their minds. When targets rise and stress runs high, he lifts the team, reminds them why. Discipline builds what talent starts, but culture lives in you and heart. He's the financial doctor, manager strong, guiding the team to where they belong. From broken budgets to visions clear, he turns confusion into cheer. Not just profits, not just fame, but people growing lives that change. He leads with wisdom, trust the connection. A financial doctor managing protection. Storms of doubt and market noise, he keeps them steady, calm and poised. A leader who listens, not one who shouts. He heals the system from the inside out. He's the financial doctor, leading the way, building tomorrow from today. With every life, his team restores. That's what this calling stands for. So when the numbers tell their story, it's not just close, it's shared glory. A leader, a mentor, a true connection. If I had you